Shallow water fishing presents a unique set of challenges and opportunities. Structure, vegetation, and varying water clarity can dramatically alter where fish hold and how they feed. Reliable depth and structure data, high contrast displays, and responsive sonar are essential for quickly identifying shoals, drop-offs, weed lines, and snags without overpaying for tech you won't use. This comparison evaluates 5 compact, user-friendly options designed for shallow water scenarios, from budget underwater cameras that extend your line of sight beneath the boat to fully fledged depth finders with dual beam sonar. Product number 1, underwater fishing camera. This is an underwater viewing system that pairs a 5-inch LCD with an HD camera and infrared night vision. It's designed for real-time underwater observation rather than traditional sonar. The 6,000 mAh battery supports up to 9 hours of continuous use, and the 100 feet waterproof cable accommodates modest depths. It emphasizes night vision with 12 infrared lights and a 220-degree wide lens, making it appealing for night or murky water scenarios. It's packaged as a portable solution with a carrying bag, but it does not capture photos or video, only real-time monitoring. Performance-wise, this camera excels at giving you a direct, visual sense of underwater terrain, fish presence, and bites. The 1080p video capture specification is misleading here, as the device is described as real-time monitoring without recording capabilities. Users should plan on external capture if needed. Product number 2. Portable rechargeable fish finder wireless sonar sensor fish finder depth locator with fish size. A castable wireless sonar solution that eliminates hull drilling. The 2.6-inch color TFT display presents depth, temperature, bottom contour, and fish size, with a 105-degree sonar beam and a depth range of 2.6 to 164 feet. Its wireless range promises up to 262 feet between sensor and display, and it supports simulation mode for practice. It's a solid mid-range option aimed at kayak anglers, shore casters, and small boats who want portable sonar without installation hassles. In real use, the device shines with its portability and straightforward setup. The split-screen display and color contrast facilitate readability in bright sun, while unit-to-display range is sufficient for most shallow water outings. The 2-year warranty and customer support are strong comfort factors for casual users. Product number 3, Fish Finder. This is a wireless underwater camera solution boasting a 4.3-inch IPS display with IP67 waterproofing and a 220-degree field of view. It includes 8 infrared LEDs for illumination and a built-in 5,000 mAh battery offering 6 to 8 hours of continuous use. The package emphasizes portability and plug-and-play setup with included bracket and charging accessories. It's positioned as a value-oriented underwater viewing system suitable for rivers, lakes, and kayak setups, where real-time observation of underwater activity informs baiting and line placement. Performance-wise, the 4.3-inch screen provides a clear view with strong contrast under varied lighting, aided by adjustable brightness and night vision. The 220-degree lens helps cover broad underwater scenes, which is particularly useful in cluttered habitats. Battery life is adequate for a day on the water, and IP67 waterproofing ensures resilience against splashes and rain. Product number 4, Humminbird 41050-1 Piranhamax 4. The Piranhamax 4 is a compact, traditional fish finder with a 4.3-inch LCD display, a dual-beam sonar option, and a transom mount transducer, XNT928T. It's designed for straightforward depth and fish finding tasks, with tilt and swivel mounting for flexible viewing angles. It's a mainstream brand entry that balances ease of use with credible sonar performance, making it a strong choice for beginners and casual anglers who want a proven plug-and-play experience. Performance-wise, the dual beam sonar capability enables users to switch between narrow and wide beams for detail versus coverage, which is valuable in shallow water with complex structure or weed lines. The 600-foot maximum depth rating indicates capability beyond shallow water, but the device is optimized for near-surface hunts where fish and structure are within reach. Product number 5. Underwater Fishing Camera. This Sunborn underwater camera system emphasizes an ultra-affordable, entry-level underwater viewing experience. It uses a 4.3-inch display and a 50-foot cable with a focus on ease of use, basic underwater visibility, and a simple plug-and-play setup. The product description highlights a durable, waterproof design and the ability to attach to fishing lines or gear for real-time observation. It's targeted at beginners or budget-conscious buyers who want to see underwater activity without investing in sonar capability. In practice, the camera provides a passable underwater view and basic night vision through LED illumination. The 50-foot cable may limit depth reach, and the overall image quality is modest relative to higher-priced cameras or true sonar units. The 2-year warranty is a solid assurance for a budget device, and the lightweight construction aids portability.